The mid-cycle refresh prepared for the 2020 Insignia also comes along with a revised adaptive beam Intellilux LED headlights featuring 84 LEDs per cluster, also with circular fog lights and a discreetly modified front bumper. At the back, you'll observe the reshaped tips of the dual exhaust system and a mildly updated bumper rounding off the changes on the outside. Besides introducing the GSI, Opel revealed technical specifications for the standard model. Under the hood, there's an assortment of new 3- and 4-cylinder engines, which all belong to the same family. This is a significant change as the previous Insignia had engines from 3 different families. The 3-cylinder units are borrowed from the Astra and are up to 110 pounds lighter than the predecessors. The turbocharged 1.4-liter petrol produces 143 horsepower and 174 foot-pounds of torque, while the 1.5-liter diesel develops 120 horsepower and 221 foot-pounds of torque. There are also 4-cylinder petrol and diesel options. The latter will be introduced later this year, while the petrol is a turbocharged 2.0-liter that now features cylinder deactivation technology. In the standard model, the 2.0-liter petrol produces 197 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque. In the GSI, it develops 227 horsepower, but the torque rating remains unchanged. The 2.0-liter engines are connected to a standard 9-speed automatic transmission. The 3 cylinders come with a 6-speed manual, but an 8-speed automatic will be available as an option.